Nurses educated families about proper nutrition for children. Nurses educated families about proper nutrition for children.
Linguists study language to better understand communication patterns. Linguists study language to better understand communication patterns.
Dancers practiced for months before their grand performance. Dancers practiced for months before their grand performance.
Storybooks often feature magical lands filled with brave young heroes. Storybooks often feature magical lands filled with brave young heroes.
Chefs organized cooking workshops for children. Chefs organized cooking workshops for children.
The wait is finally over. We've simplified everything. No subscriptions, no complex signups. Our platform is now open to all users, and getting started is as easy as entering a valid email.
Type in your email and click submit. We'll send an OTP to your inbox right away. Enter OTP that is received in your email and click on continue. It's valid for 5 minutes.
Why should you practice for the PTE exam? Because your PTE score can unlock global opportunities, higher education, international jobs, and even permanent residency in your dream country. It's more than just an exam. It's a gateway to your future. But to succeed, you need practice, focused, daily, and stress-free practice. And that's exactly what we offer. No more excuses, no more delays. Practice instantly, improve your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. Get better every day with simple, effective exercises. Designed for real test takers. Just like you don't need to be a genius. You just need to be consistent. Start small, practice every day, gain confidence. And when exam day arrives, you'll walk in prepared, calm, and ready to shine. Thousands of users have already started their journey with us, and now it's your turn. Don't wait for the perfect time. This is it. Wishing you the best of luck in your PTE exam. Go chase your dreams, whether it's higher studies, a better lifestyle, or a future abroad. Start now, succeed sooner.
Historians research the impact of significant events on the course of history. Historians research the impact of significant events on the course of history.
Ballet dancers must practice daily to perfect their movements. Ballet dancers must practice daily to perfect their movements.
Inventors created flexible displays for electronic devices. Inventors created flexible displays for electronic devices.
Historians reconstructed ancient civilizations through archaeological findings. Historians reconstructed ancient civilizations through archaeological findings.
Librarians organized events to promote literacy in the community. Librarians organized events to promote literacy in the community.
Police officers investigated criminal activities to maintain law and order. Police officers investigated criminal activities to maintain law and order.
Young athletes aspire to compete in international sporting events. Young athletes aspire to compete in international sporting events.
Farmers used organic methods to grow crops without chemicals. Farmers used organic methods to grow crops without chemicals.
Writers addressed social justice themes in modern literature. Writers addressed social justice themes in modern literature.
Zoologists researched behavioral patterns of nocturnal animals. Zoologists researched behavioral patterns of nocturnal animals.
Busy airports manage thousands of flights every single day. Busy airports manage thousands of flights every single day.
Explorers mapped hidden canyons in remote jungle regions. Explorers mapped hidden canyons in remote jungle regions.
Pilots ensured passenger safety during the flight by following protocols. Pilots ensured passenger safety during the flight by following protocols.
Park visitors captured photographs of rare blooming wildflowers. Park visitors captured photographs of rare blooming wildflowers.
Volunteers help organize community events to bring people together. Volunteers help organize community events to bring people together.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.